Our hair is in touch with a lot of environmental pollution every day. Ultraviolet radiation harms the protein chains in the cuticle, leaving the hair destroyed and dull. Most of us are aware of how to protect the skin from harmful UV rays, but what about our scalp and hair? With the changing climatic conditions and growing vehicle pollution, our body is getting affected by many ways, and the most neglected area is our hair. Hi, hello, welcome to my channel, The Cosmetic Clicks. You might be thinking like, I do shampooing and conditioning every 2 to 3 days, but still why my hair is looking so dull and lifeless? Harmful chemicals in shampoos and conditioners will slowly damage our hair if we didn't select the right products with the right ingredients. When I am in search of such products, I found this amazing conditioner which is made from fruit extracts from the brand The Happier. Actually, what is the conditioner? A conditioner is used to close the cuticles which are opened up by the shampooing. If the cuticles are left open without applying a conditioner, it makes the hair more vulnerable to damages like hair breakages, split ends, and becomes dry and hard to manage. The conditioner refortifies the cuticles with a protective coating, allowing the hair to keep growing and breakage free. A conditioner works in a number of ways. It flattens the cuticle by giving healthy and shiny hair so that it makes the hair manageable and frizz-free. Now let's get into the review. I have purchased this leave-in conditioner from Amazon at Rs 625, but if you want to buy this product with 5% off using the coupon code HAPPIER5, which I have mentioned in the description. This 100 ml product comes in a bottle with a pump dispenser so that we can have a control over the amount of the product. On the backside of the bottle, they have mentioned all the ingredients list used in making this product, including the properties of each and every super ingredient, and even directions for how to use their leave-in conditioner. It has a white creamy texture which is neither thick nor runny and glides very easily. It has a very good fragrance which stays for a few hours. But what is the difference between a regular conditioner and a leave-in conditioner? A regular traditional conditioners are applied on the wet hair after shampooing and rinsed off within 3 to 4 minutes. Usually they are formulated with heavy conditioning agents because to ensure that your hair get more benefit within those 2 to 3 minutes. Leave-in conditioners are meant to be applied on damp hair and not to be washed off. It is formulated with lightweight conditioning agents so that it is left on the hair for extra moisture. Nearly every hair type can benefit from this leave-in conditioner, like dry and damaged hair, curly hair, color-treated hairs. This is also helpful if you use heat styling tools like curling and straightening. You might be thinking there are many conditioners in the market, but what is so special about this? This soulful leave-in conditioner is the blend of superfood natural extracts and safe scientific chemical ingredients, which gives great strength and nourishment to the dry and damaged hair. In this conditioner, they have used the super ingredients like banana, mango, avocado, coconut, plant keratin, and provitamin B5. Let's have an in-detail view of those ingredients. How does it work on our hair? Mango, which is an excellent source of vitamin A and it deeply nourishes our hair. Bananas, which are a rich source of potassium, natural oils, antioxidants and vitamins, which keeps our hair soft and nourished. Avocado, which is loaded with minerals like potassium, magnesium, and natural fatty acids that prevent hair breakage and leave it shiny and smoother. Coconuts. I think there is no need to say about its benefits. It is an age old holy ingredient known for hair moisturization and hydration, used in every hair oil and serums and conditioners. It hydrates our hair efficiently. Provitamin B5, also known as calcium pantothenic acid. It is a vital vitamin for a healthy hair. It helps in strengthening and nourishing hair follicles to promote healthy hair growth and prevent hair damage. Provitamin B5 acts as a powerful humectant and helps to retain the moisture level of the scalp and hair, thereby making your strands soft, smooth, and more manageable. Stronger, softer, and more persistent hair strands. Plant-based keratin, which rejuvenates the scalp by repairing dry and damaged hair and boosting moisturization. Finally, this leave-in conditioner helps in controlling frizzy hair, repairing damaged hair, and in reducing hair breakages and delivering deep nourishment by balancing pH of every strand. This conditioner is a blend of natural and scientific chemical ingredients which are safe on our hair. Remember, never apply a conditioner on your scalp, as that will make the roots oilier than they naturally are, and as a result it looks so flat and limp. It is your hair that needs most hydration, so it should be conditioned from the mid-length to the ends of your hair. This is just for information purpose. This brand also has shampoo with same combination, although it is not necessary to use the same brands, but usually same brand of shampoo and conditioners will give the best results because hair care products are designed as a system to work in harmony. Although the ingredients convinced me, but initially I was skeptical in using it on my hair, but after using it for 4 to 5 times a month, I concluded it as safe on my hair because I have not observed any drastic hair fall or oily look. That's it guys, thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe. See you soon in another video. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye.